Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And this is Luna. I don't know much about this game. It's because of the, only I think it's only in US. I think I didn't play the Japanese version of it. It was different title. But we will play it without it. We will play it blindly for now. So we can experience it together. Without further ado, let's start the game. Let's start the game. There we go. What you be waiting, boy? Have you forgotten where your cabin is? Again? Yes. Damnation for the 5th time, lad. Your cabin is on the right. You are certainly not the sharpest cutlass on the rack. Can tell you how weary I am of looking at the sea and clouds for days. I'll be so happy to be on dry land again. I'm returning to my beloved. I've nearly forgotten how it feels to hold her in my arms. And what of you? Why do you travel to Torla? What your dreams led you to the ship? You ain't one of them freak boys, are ya? Maybe. You're feeling seasick? Drop anchor over the side, boy. I just swabbed the blooming decks. Right side. Beautiful, eh? I've been a sailor since I was a lad younger yet you. And I haven't yet tired of watching the waves roll over across the pristine waters beneath the bow. Can I talk to you, Mr. Sailor? You're headed for the village of Inoa. That's good. That's a good distance from Torla, as I recall. What kind of business takes you to such a remote place? Because of my dreams, I think. Luna's cabin. You were screaming in your sleep again last night. Boy, I could have sworn Yara and fire. There's a crack in the wall? Well, I'll be sure to fix it as soon as my friend and I finish this bottle of grog. Or when monkeys fly out of your butt, whichever comes first. Sissy boy. Oh my god, that was very harsh. What's the matter, kid? You look might pale. You've been having us the same troubling dream every single night. I It's the sickness, fogging your land, loving mind. It'll pass. If you excuse me, I had better to I had better tend to ease in the ship into port. It should be near. Alright. I just woke up, I'm sorry. You're making me nervous, kiddo. Go lie down for a while. Why not have yourself another one of those freaky dreams while you at it? Oh man. Okay. Let's leave. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, dead. I'm one known as Lars. I am a wizard and one of the guardians of the seal. The time grows short before I am bound once more. There's really a shot, huh? Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Mm-hmm. Can you hear me, Releaser? North of Inoa is a deep, dark lake. Below its murky surface, a wretched demon has slumbered for 1,000 years now. The foul beast stirs once more. We stand on the threshold. You make me laugh, evil one. No one has the power to stop me now, especially not a miserable human. Tell me then, Mezas, if humans are so powerless, how is it that prosperity is yours only by means of their efforts? Don't you understand, wizard? Humans have long since ceased being of use to me. Their presence in my reality has become nothing more than a thorn in my side. Soon I shall. Why do you sneaker, old man? Do you dare to mock my judgment? I laugh because you are afraid. You talk of destruction, yet you fear the strength of humanity. Why else would you come here now? Stop me from sending my message of redemption. Admit your cowardice, foul fiend. I am not so cruel as to steal away the last shred of hope from one drawing his final breath. Believe what you will, Lars, but do tell me about his person you call the Releaser. What is his name or hers? My time in this world has come to an end, Releaser, but I have served my purpose. You now know of the great power locked within you. Heed my words, Releaser. travel to Inoa. Use your strength to stop the demon. I now travel to the next world. Releaser. Well then. It's my time. Hahaha. Today it is Lars. Tomorrow it is you, Releaser. And then the end of mankind. It is destiny. It is fate. Well then, demon. You dare to challenge. Oh man. The door is jammed shut. Ay. Okay. We are destroying property. Let's hurry up. Stand fast, everyone. I've sailed this ship through storms twice as ferocious. I listened to the captain. The lady of the sea could never raise a swell strong enough to polish off the Clark. Captain, we're headed straight for the reef. Hold on, sweet mother of God, where? No. Okay. Okay. You are awake. This is progress. This is good. I was afraid you might be having an eternal rest. Do you know what I am saying? My name is Jess. I am a swordsman. I am a swordsmith here in Inoa. Decent money, make my own hours. No big whoop. What is your name? Alundra. Pleased to make your acquaintance, Alundra. You were on board the Clark. Were you not, Alundra? You are lucky to be alive, you know what I am saying. They have not found a piece of that ship bigger than my fist. But let us not talk about that. Let us talk about you, my new friend. You are welcome to stay here until you are fully recovered. I live by myself. Once you leave, I'll be lonely, old, fat man again. Not that you should feel bad. Oy, I almost forgot. That book next to bed, it's a special diary. You want to use it? Fine by me. I got it for myself, but how many ways can you write? Made a sword today. Oh, save. Yes. Examining the parchment. Preserving one word in the roadless. Yes, please. Describing the tail. Tail successfully inscribed. Okay. Oh, we are in the second floor. I'm in the first floor. I am in the. Oi, so many people in this small village. Have you met them all yet, Alondra? Nope. The chest is locked. If the keyhole is shaped wasn't so unusual, it could be big. You feel strong enough to explore that village. This is good. The people of Inoa are very nice, not as nice as me, of course, but they try. If you start to feel weak, be sure to come back here and rest, alright? Alright. You're the one from my dreams. The one summoned from the realm of our unconscious. You've come to save us. Your appearance is just as it was in my dreams, Alundra. Well, perhaps you're a little shorter. Ah, well, that was harsh. Was harsh, madam. Our village is small, isn't it? But I could never imagine living in a big city. I love being in a place where I know everyone and where everyone knows me. I find it comforting. I've heard of you, Alundra, and I'll ask you kindly not to cause any trouble here. I don't want to exercise my mayoral powers and have you banned from our peaceful village. One bed. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, they have I think their daughter. I cause trouble, hey? Key. Let's explore around the village. Hello. Hello, Dugi. You're the boy just found on the shore after the wreck. How are you feeling? You caught me right as I was headed up the mountain to pick some medicinal herbs. My wife Naomi sells what I gather in our shop. You should say hello to her sometime. Okay, this is her house, I think. Septimus. If I take that tonic and reduce it by means of reverse osmosis, it very might be the cure. What? Oh, if you come from the grocery, just leave the food anywhere. I don't have time. This guy never. No comment there. He never cared. Alright. No. Grandpa, you need help. I'll be right back. I promise. You can't die, Grandpa. You just can't die. No. Grandpa, I brought someone to help just like I said. Is he wearing the amulet of Nava? It was supposed to protect him. The only person who can help him now is Septimus. I'm sure of it. My grandpa is having a nightmare, and we need Septimus to help him. He's in the house to the left of this one. Go outside the up and up the stairs. Please hurry, bring him here right now, right away. Money. Wait, where's the guy? Dude, someone needs you. I can't bear to go. I can't look into their tear-filled eyes and tell them I don't know what to do. All these damn books, all my years of study, I can't free Wendell from his nightmare. I'm not a scholar, I'm a fool. Wait, let me see your forehead. You bear the scar. I am Septimus. For years I have studied the human mind and the world of dreams. In one of my ancient books, a legend is written of a boy with a mark on his forehead. He is said to be at once blessed and cursed, granted the awesome power to enter the dreams of others as they slumber. At least I always believed it was but a legend. I have a favor to ask of you, Dreamwalker. I petition you to journey to the home of Tarn, my former teacher. Perhaps it will yield a clue. Something to explain what's happening to Wendell and perhaps a way to stop it. To find the house, head directly east from this place. I'll go to Wendell and try to ease his suffering for the present, but please hurry. If we cannot ease Wendell's pain, I fear I shall have the inviable task of ending it. Good luck, friend, and thank you. East of here, okay. I think nope. Mid-swipe, I'm pretty sure I saw Rumi headed for Magiskar. It is the birthplace of all things living and also the dark pit to which everything returns in the end. We go there if someone we love is dying. We call out his or her spirit to stop it from crossing to the next world. Hmm. Herbs something. Wait, what? Okay. 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 Tarns Manor. Danger, do not enter. Okay. I'm not allowed to go here yet, so let's go back to the eastern. Okay, let's go to the northern part. Oh my goodness. Tarns Manor, Dark Swamp, Pinoa Village. Dark Swamps. Okay. Nothing here. Alright. Noah Village Beach. Okay. Okay, let's go here. So beautiful here, isn't it? Yes. I like to think that my cemetery is a representation of heaven here below. That this place is almost as beautiful for the body as heaven is for the soul. Wait, where's the house? Okay. Okay. Mm. Alright. Watermelon. Alright. Iso here. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Nothing here. But there's herbs. Ow. 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 Okay. Okay, northern. I know. Let's go back to the. Where is his manor though? Carnes manor. Okay. Okay, in the it's still in the village if I'm correct. Okay. Stop. Okay, let's go down. In the east. Dali, say you peasant, do you plan to reside in our fair village? Well then, from this moment forth, you are my servant, I understand? If you don't do whatever I say, I'll tell my dad he's the mayor and I'll tear you a new one, peasant. This kid. I heard that Wendell is on his deathbed. I hope the poor man is able to recover. Hey there. Hi there. You can stay as long as you want, alright? Okay. There's the east part of it. Tarns Manor? You mean the house in the east forest? That place has been abandoned for 10 years at least, Alondra. Many bad things there, you know. What I am saying, promise me you won't go there. Okay? Okay. Okay, let's go there. I think for now, let's save. Let's inscribe something. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's go to the manor. I think this is the place. We need to go here. Wow, that was a welcome. Sure, that was a welcoming thing. Orange manor. Okay, this is the demon. Those in full command of their mental faculties will heed the course of wisdom and stay away. Okay. Okay. Oh, bridge. Oh, nice. Okay. Alright then. Okay. 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 L. Falcon. Okay. Okay. Key. Alright then. Oh, nice. Life vessel obtained. Nice. Wait, what? Okay. Okay, let's go there again. Okay. God dang it. Okay. Okay. Let's go. On the middle. There you go. Okay. Okay. Ay. dito pala. Wait. Let's go here. We are going to run on this area. Okay. Demon, I'm here. Okay, turn apart. You received the book of Elna. Nice. Herbs. 30 guild. Okay. So which means you need 53. Okay. I am Melzus, ruler of this wretched land. Those foolish enough to dabble in the affairs of my subjects shall pay the ultimate price. Who is that demon? Oh yeah! Okay. Okay. Let's go here in the middle. Anywho, let's destroy this. Okay. Oh, strength tonic obtained. There we go. Alright. Okay. Well, demon, you didn't kill me. You tried. Oh yeah, you've tried, but cannot prevail. Naomi, welcome to my shop. If you wish to purchase anything, just throw it on the counter. Oh wait. How much is this? I'm dreadfully sorry, but that armor is simply not for sale. You see, it's been in my family for ages, since my father's father, in fact. You understand, don't you? Ah, yeah. Nope. How about this guy? How much? Oh. A life vessel, pricey but a prime choice for the specially discriminating P500. Nope, I don't have 500 yet. I'm sorry I couldn't be more of assistance. Let me know if you need help with anything else. How much is this guy? How much is this? A magic elixir. Oh, 30 glider. Nope. Okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I need to buy that thingy. Okay, this is the shop. Right. How about this? Oh man, I knew I should have had that extra cup of coffee. That's the third table so far this week. Myra. Nadia, are you alright? Check yourself for splinters, dear. I'll make some fresh java for my precious daughter. Whatever shall we do? Paroxysm. You got it, elf boy. Every time I go to sleep, something blows up. So I don't sleep, which makes me grumpy. Now will you go away? Why has this happened to my only daughter? Why? Oh, why? Alright. Well, you've been grumpy like that. Is it something cursed by the demons? Okay, let's go. Let's talk to the guy. Hey, let's go to Windows house, but first let's go. Why are chicks so nosy compared to that Sarah is forget it, dude. I keep telling Bonner to meet a nice girl and get married. I'm dying for grandkids, damn it. But I guess I have to use some kind of excuse, eh? Take the grandkids excuse away and I'm just dying. You should stay here in this village, Alondra. I know Jess would rest much easier if you did. He really seems to care for you. Fine, you're crazy traveling to Tarn's old creepy manor by yourself. Just a child. I wouldn't tell Jess what you did or you'll be in huge trouble with him. Olen asked if I would meet him at the beach at dusk. I think I will. Yes. I remember when Wendell told me that he didn't believe in the gods. His heresy went like this. The gods were invented by men too weak to accept the harsh realities of a harsh life alone. Do you think he believes in the gods now, Alundra? Well, I think it's not about how no, I may not be asshole. Help me. Yes. Oh, Grandpa, if you die, I'll certainly die too. Septimus, please help my grandpa. You're the only one who can save him. Despite my despite my having prayed at the shrine of my Magiskar, there was no change. I can't believe that all that prayer did no good. Perhaps I wasn't sincere enough. Alundra, you've returned and you brought a book. Septimus is handed at home. I see. Alundra, you're you are of the clan of Elna, the Dreamwalkers. You have the power to enter the dreams of other people and change their outcome. You can use this power to rescue Wendell from his disabling nightmare. You must go to him once. I'll keep reading as you attempt to enter his dream to assist you. Are you ready, Alundra? Take Wendell's wrist gently in your hand. There, that's it. Now, concentrate. Try to feel his heartbeat pulse beneath your fingertips. Listen to the rise and fall of his breath, Alundra. Try to breathe in time with him. Inhale, exhale, in, out, in, out, in. Do you feel the flow? Do you feel the flow, Alundra? Are you ready to make the leap? Yes. Okay. Let's defeat him. Let's defeat the demon. In the stream, huh? You really make it like a nightmare. Help, please help me. Oh. Please deliver me. Help me, someone, anyone. Okay. Going to the right path. Oh. There you go. Glider Falcon obtained. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Kill. Oh, dang it. Oh, thank the gods. You've come at last. Who are you? Alundra, eh? Please tell me. You've come to release me from this horrid nightmare. Of course. Oh. Come here. Oh, okay, nope. That was stupid. Oh, nope. Oh. There you go. Ow. Okay. Hey, I've been quiet. Sorry, everyone. Okay. Sorry, I'm quiet. I'm locked. I'm locking in. Oh, no. There you go. Dead. The gelatinoid has been defeated. Legend of Zelda style. Yeah. Thunderation, that was some finest swordsmanship I've ever witnessed. Thank you. Alundra, can you hear me? It is I, Septimus. Wendell's body has stopped tensing, and he's not moaning anymore. In fact, he appears to be smiling. I don't know what you did, but his nightmare is definitely over. Definitely over. Okay. Alright, nice. You're back now. It was so strange when you entered Wendell's dream. Your body went slack. If I hadn't steadied you, you certainly would have fallen to the floor. When you exited the dream, your body appeared to reanimate. It was quite a sight to behold. There's no need to be concerned with. It appears that that is to be the norm when he enters Anders' dreams. I understand what you're saying, but it still gives me shivers. I'm grateful, but I don't have to like it. Oh, where am I? What the incarnation is going on? Grandpa, you're awake, yay! Can someone explain what in Hades I'm doing in bed at this hour? Don't you remember, Father? You've been asleep for the past 3 days, trapped in a terrible nightmare. But you're okay now. You're awake and, even more importantly, alive. I remember now. I was being chased by a foul, horrid creature of pure evil. No matter where I fled in that terrible world, the beast found me. At last, I fell to the ground too. I'm exhausted to continue the cruel charade. When I struggled to my feet to face my end, I saw the glorious face of Alundra and my salvation. Grandpa knows Alundra's name. He couldn't have known that unless Alundra really went into his dream. How cool is that? Okay. Wendell has survived. Praise the gods. I must report this to wonderful news to Chancellor Ronan at once. Oh no. The evil. I'm sure that Chancellor is very evil. Well, then, Alundra, I guess it's time we left Wendell alone for some much needed rest. Come return with me to my home, and I'll explain your powers in greater detail. While you were gone, I uncovered some fascinating things about your gift. Septimus Alundra, thank you so much for saving Grandpa. Oh, they needed it. Greetings, Alundra. Chancellor Ronan has requested an audience with you and sent me to fetch you, Alundra. If you could come with me to the sanctuary to meet him, he'd be most appreciative too, I'm certain. Ronan wants to speak with you. That's certainly strange, but you'd better see what he wants. I'm certain he'll be pleased to learn that when that's alright. Tell you what, Alundra. After you and he have spoken, meet me back there at my home so we can discuss your powers at length. Follow me to the sanctuary if you would, Alundra. Oh my god, not again. This way. Oh no, this is demon. I knew it. I knew it. Yes, I know Alondra Wendell has survived. The gods held forth and a thread of salvation for his soul. Let us pray to the gods and thank them for their undeserved benevolence. Yes, I think. You see, the gods do exist. They exist in the hearts of and minds of those that pray dearly to them. Now you are one. You are one with us, my friend. You shall become as we know better, no worse. Okay. Let's explore. Here I am. Alright, this is the end of the episode, everybody, the new series. And thank you for watching, everyone, and see you next time in the next video. Bye bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their fears, sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British enemy.